Good morning, guys. We're already hard at it in the shop. This morning we've been up to basically just milling wood. We've had some cedar that we've needed to run across the joiner, and then we had some 2x6s that we're going to turn into a little kid's farm table. We've already jointed and planed them, and we've got to use our dust stopper for the first time with the joiner and the planer, and oh boy, isn't it amazing what it's like to have a proper dust collection system. There is only a small amount of shavings on the floor. The bucket is full, and we also had to dump it once before. So it was 2 5-gallon pails basically of shavings that it sucked up. Best $40 I spent. If you're looking for a solution to try to keep your shop a little cleaner, I highly recommend that guy. You can watch our review video of it right here if you click that card at the end of the video, or you can click it right now if you want. But we are going upstairs to glue these bad boys together. Let's get going. All right, guys, so we got our clamps under the boards, and we got our glue on our boards, and now we're just gonna lay them down. Gonna get them all flat, and then we'll get them smushed together here. Not a real exciting process, but this has become my favorite thing. It's amazing that you can get these boards to stick together like this. Yeah, a question I asked myself today is, because it took a while to get all this stuff squared up. It seems kind of silly to buy rounded lumber only to mill it to make it square, and then when we get done we're gonna round the outside again. So I'm gonna try looking into just getting rough cut square lumber. Hopefully it'll be a little bit cheaper and save me a little bit of time from having to get the corners off, because as you can see, when you buy the lumber from the lumber yard, they shave these corners off and it's round, to where when you make a table you want it to be square. So see how we squared that up, and that's what we use the joiner and the planer for. So hope you guys enjoyed the episode today. I'm gonna finish the other boards we have are the cedar ones for the top of the cedar chest box we made that's got the tools in it. I had made this top and I ended up making it like 1/8 of an inch too short on the one side, so we're gonna have to redo that. And this is Shop Saturday, where we kind of keep you up to date on what we're working on in the shop. We are beginner woodworkers. As always, we'd love to hear your comments down below, and we want to know what kind of projects you're working on in your shop. Tune in next week as we continue to grow. Thanks for watching. Oh, and don't forget to check out that dust stopper video. It's a pretty amazing product if you want a really good dust separator system on a low budget. You just need a 5-gallon pail and a shop vac. Thanks for watching.